And we're back to learn Photoshop in a year, day 218. Let me show the ocean ripple. We'll go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Under the Distort folder right here, it's the third option. Let me zoom out, and we've got two ways to adjust it. Ripple size. This controls the diameter of the ripple waves. So smaller values will give you tightly packed ripples, you could say. And the higher you go, the more they will be spaced out and enlarged. Then we have a ripple magnitude. And this controls the intensity. So with low values, you get subtle distortions. With higher values, you're going to get a little bit more dramatic, a little bit more wavy, you could say. If you want to have a very intense kind of window effect, just crank it up fully. If you want to have more like a painting effect, keep it in the mid-range for both values, and then you should be good. And as I can use the Ocean Ripple photo filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.